Hello everybody, it is your boy Nando Tech back at it with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Digital Storm Lynx pre-built gaming PC. Guys, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. It will massively help me get to 100 subscribers because I now have 89, which means I'm only 11 subscribers away from 100. If you guys can smash the like button, that would be of really big help, and you would be my best friend for the rest of the world. And yeah, guys, let's get started. So the Lynx PC from Digital Storm is about $700 or $699, or you can just pay $22.56 for a couple months or probably 2 years. And its estimated shipping is 10 to 15 days. So the price is pretty good for a pre-built, and it looks pretty good. It has a pretty good case, pretty good looking case. And let's just get started into the core components. So it's chassis. It says Digital Storm Lynx. It's the Digital Storm case, and these PCs are mostly famous because a lot of the phase members use their computers, or they just get sent to them for a free shout out or something. And they say that it's built by experts, it has extensive testing, and it has a lifetime support, which is good for any pre-built gaming computer. So if it gets damaged, you can just send it back and get your money or get it fixed. And yeah, this computer, just to say, does not come with a graphics card. It comes with an APU. It's the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G 4-core 8-thread CPU, which is really good for gaming, but not as well for streaming and multitasking. As it said, they said that it was pretty good for multitasking and gaming, but not really. It has, I believe, 3.8. It only says it has a 4.2 gigahertz turbo, which is, I guess, okay. And for the motherboard, they decided to go with the Asus MSI A320 motherboard. It only has two RAM slots, and it's okay. And but I would be expecting a B450 motherboard for $700, and also I would be expecting a graphics card instead of just an APU, which it's okay, but like I would just be expecting a little bit more. For the system memory, so I took go with only one stick of Digital Storm Performance Series, which 8 gigs and $700. I would definitely be able to fit 16 at least. It doesn't even say what's the speed, which it's a little concerning, but like it would still, you would need to get at least 16 gigs for $700, and at least have to say what speed is the RAM. But I would know that they wouldn't say that, because like people who are buying these computers, they don't really know about a lot about computers, and they just want to copy like their favorite streamer who has the same PC. And I guess it's okay. And the power supply, it's again Digital Storm power supply is a 600 watt. It supports up to a 2070 RTX 2070, but when we go to it doesn't really say if it's 80 plus or anything, which I'm guessing it's not, but it's okay, I guess. 600 watts is more than enough for this build. I probably would have gone for it 500 watts to save a bit more money to get more. And does not have an optical drive, but it does have a storage 2 terabyte Seagate or slash Toshiba. But if you're really gonna go for $700, I'll probably go with Seagate Barracuda Compute for about, it's the same 2 terabytes and all of that, but like still would be way better, and it looks it looks less sketchy, because those hard drives look really old, even though it's still 7200 RPM, and its cache is 32 megabytes, and it's okay, I guess. And it does have internet. It doesn't have built-in internet, but you can plug it in with your Ethernet cables. So you're not gonna just get normal Wi-Fi if you want to that, but you could still change it to, I'm guessing, oh yeah, a dongle. So I mean, $25 more. You shouldn't really have to. I mean, for $25, you can just buy your own for like about $10. For the graphics, RX Vega 11 graphics. I mean, it's okay, I guess. It says true console class gaming power. You shouldn't be having to spend $700 to get like 60 frames on like Fortnite, PUBG, like on all of these games that you for $700 you should be at least getting over 100 frames, but not like console gaming experience. So you can just get your Xbox or PS4 and connect the keyboard and mouse and play it like that instead of having to spend $700 on digital store and PC. Well, I mean, you could just still like build a $500 PC and it will still be way better than this, like miles long. And yeah, but like that shouldn't be having to happen. And the motherboard does come with a sound card, which is, I mean, it's okay. You shouldn't. Most of the motherboards right now come with um in like sound cards. My motherboard comes with sound cards. It's a B450 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi, and it's pretty good. Yeah, and I just really had to download a couple drivers for the sound, and it was up and running. I mean, it was it was up and running before I even had to install all the drivers from the motherboard website. And for the cooler, this had to go with the AMD standard factory heatsink and fan. I mean, it's okay. I'm not gonna expect them to put in like a AIO in there, so that's pretty good. And I say it has premium cable management. I mean, I'm probably gonna expect that from any other pre-built gaming PC, but that's good to know. It has internal lighting, which is one thing that all pre-builds have, that they all try to sell you fans with RGB. So I look at my fans, they light up. They're literally just selling you lights, not performance, which is why every PC guru YouTuber says like build your own gaming PC, because you're probably gonna get scammed if you buy a pre-built. But that's I guess good to know. And chassis fans, they come with, doesn't say how many digital storm RGB fans, but I'm guessing about 5 or 6, 4. I have really no idea. And overclocking, you can, I guess, get more. I mean, you can you can probably pay more for overclocking, I'm guessing. I don't know. And operating system, Windows 10 Home, pretty standard. Recovery tools, USB drive, Windows 10 installation, format, and clean install. Well, you can just get one for free, but you can get Windows for free, which is probably what they did. And I guess they just went onto a website and got it like pay for, like CD keys, G2A, and websites like that, and they just activated it, and it has virus protection. I guess it's okay, but you can get some free ones, and then you can just get some accessories for you with your PC, and it has all of these services and support, which is pretty good to know that you have. And yeah, I mean, this is a pretty good PC, but it's not the best. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't recommend any people gaming PC besides N60 BLD, because they're just fair in their pricing, and they have actually really good like standard parts. I get it, you might buy these because they're pretty famous among like the gaming community, but like only ones that are really good are the ones that like pro players have, like Tfue, Banks. I mean, he's not really a pro player, but he's just a really famous YouTube star. And like, yeah, Digital Storm just might sell you these, but this is like their cheapest one that they I guess their best seller. But they also have a couple more which I might review. But that's just gonna be all for today, guys. As I said, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and stay safe, wash your hands, and don't buy crappy computers.